Kim and Ray were very close companions. They were neighbors, classmates at school, and later colleagues at work. One day, they decided to go on a sea voyage to explore strange lands. They began their voyage in a cruise ship and traveled far and wide. However, in the course of their trip, the weather turned very destructive. The ship was wrecked in the middle of the ocean. Most of the passengers were killed, but Kim and Ray could swim to a nearby island. The island was deserted. Not even a tree was there. Kim and Ray realized that they could not survive on the island without divine intervention. They decided to pray to God. They wanted to see whose prayer would be more powerful. Kim moved to the eastern tip of the island, knelt down, and began to pray there. Ray went to the western tip of the island and prayed there. Kim prayed to God to give him food to survive. Surprisingly, he got a pile of food, fruits, and vegetables on the seashore. After 2 days, he requested for a beautiful girl as his wife, as he was feeling very lonely on the island. In a few hours, there was a shipwreck near the island, and a lone survivor, a beautiful girl, Kim married the girl. Whatever Kim prayed for was granted to him. Almost a month after the shipwreck, Kim decided to move back to his hometown. He prayed to God to send him a ship to take him home. Sure enough, there came a ship to take Kim and his wife home. As the couple was about to enter the ship, Kim heard someone speak to him. It was just a voice. "Are you going alone? Leaving your companion of life here?" Kim was surprised. "May I know who this is and whom you are referring to?" "I have my wife with me." The voice said, "I am the one to whom you offered your prayers, whom you requested to save your life, and whom you requested food and shelter, and of course a wife." Kim knelt down in awe and said, "Thank you, God." Then Kim remembered about Ray, whom he had forgotten all this time. He was overcome with guilt. God said to him, "I was not answering your prayers. I was only fulfilling Ray's prayers. He prayed for only one thing. He said, 'Please fulfill all of Kim's prayers.' That was his only prayer." Kim was in tears and rushed to the other side of the island. He realized that he had not even thought about his best friend Ray and was happily enjoying his own life. He could not find Ray there. He asked God, "Where is Ray?" God replied, "I took him with me. The man with the golden heart should be with me, but I will fulfill all your prayers as I promised him to do so." Kim was completely broken. He realized why his friend's prayers were more powerful. It was because Ray's prayers were totally selfless. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.